For this session, actually we're going to look into another shape called trapezium. And a trapezium is actually a flat shape, which means it's two-dimensional with four straight sides, something like a rectangle, but with one pair, which is a pair of opposite side, is actually parallel. So if we look at this shape is an example of a trapezium. Alright, and it has this line over here, this line on the top, and this line at the bottom over here. These two lines is actually parallel, but it is not exactly the same as a rectangle because it doesn't have right angles for all the four corners. Common question that you will have in your test or your examination is basically on identification. So you could be given a number of shape and you're supposed to identify which one of them actually is a trapezium. Or the more difficult one is actually you're given a trapezium shape, but you are supposed to write what shape it actually is. And it can be a little bit tricky at first to actually spell out the word trapezium. But don't give up. Alright, it's not that difficult. I'm sure you can do it with a little bit of practice.